Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I've been trying to cook and bake a lot more things from home from scratch. And one thing that I absolutely use every time is measuring cups and spoons. Good quality tools make everything easier. So I found this CuttleLab 22-piece stainless steel measuring cups and spoon set. And when I say this upped my baking game, I mean it. One of my favorite things is that the measurements are engraved and not just printed on, so they're not going to wear out with time. Also, the handles are excellent and super grippy, so even if your hands are a little messy from whatever you're baking or cooking, it's not going to slip. And it even comes with the measurement conversion chart, which I love because I constantly have to Google things, and now I don't. They're also dishwasher safe, which is always a great feature because who wants to do any extra dishes if they don't have to? I also really like that they come with these 3 rings to keep them all together, but they're really easy to take apart and you're not going to be searching for them in your drawers, or if you want to hang them inside a door like I sometimes do. This measuring cup and spoon set has really upped my baking game, and the quality means I'm going to be able to use them for a really long time. I love them so much, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.